Today we're talking about how to use the RXO Drive app, a mobile tool for truck drivers and carriers to search, book, and manage freight loads. First, download the app on Android or iOS and sign up with your carrier details. Once you're in, set your load and route preferences so the app can show jobs that match. You can filter available loads, check all the job details like weight, distance, and payout, and either book instantly or place a bid. After booking, the app gives you routing directions, live load tracking, and a way to upload delivery documents for faster payment. It also suggests return loads to avoid driving empty and offers rewards based on your performance. Features include real time load search, GPS tracking, document uploads, in app messaging, and quick pay options, all managed from your phone. Just make sure you're on a stable device and internet connection since some users have reported bugs and crashes. Ask ChatGPT.